Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. Hi guys, this is Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new work from home based job update for all the freshers engineers who want to start their career as a developer role. So the company name is Days and it is providing you a work from home based development job opportunity. It will be a full-time employment and it comes under engineering department. Compensation they have mentioned based on your degree, you will get the compensation in between 2 lakh to 4.2 lakh per annum. So let's discuss about the job opportunity. First, I'll start with the eligibility criteria. So to apply for this role, you must be complete your graduation in a technical domain. It means if you have completed your BSc in computer science or IT or a relevant field, then you can apply for this role. And also BCA people can apply for this role. And if you have completed your engineering, means BTech or BE in computer science or IT or related field, you can also apply for this opportunity. So if you want to apply for this role, make sure that if you have a good programming knowledge on Python and you should know all the data structures and algorithm. So here they have mentioned all the details about the job. So it's a complete work from home based role, so make sure that you have a stable internet connection in your home and you should have a personal laptop in your home. In responsibilities they have mentioned what you have to do in your day-to-day roles and responsibilities. So please read everything and based on the requirements please design your resume and cover letter. In requirements they have mentioned all the skills which they are looking for. They have mentioned Python and SQL, knowledge of databases, SQL, NoSQL and data modeling, knowledge of version control like Git, problem solving skill, attention to detail and communication skill. Below they have mentioned some additional skills. If you have these skills, you can mention these all in your resume. It will help you to get shortlisted as soon as possible. So first one is cloud platform like AWS or Azure, and second one is Docker CI/CD pipelines, and third one is RESTful APIs. If you know these things, please mention this all in your skills section to get shortlisted. Now if you want to apply for this role, first you need to check the video description area and then you just need to find the application link. I will provide you the link in the description area. You can directly redirect in this page, read everything properly and then you need to click on the application. You will get the form here. You need to upload the PDF resume which you have designed. Then you can provide all of your details. Experienced people can also apply for this role, but the salary which they have mentioned here, that's only for the freshers graduates. Okay, for the experienced people the salary will be defined based on your performance, based on your skill set and based on your interview. Okay, so after filling everything you can click on submit application button. If your profile got shortlisted, the recruiter will call you or mail you for interview purpose as soon as possible. If you have any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you are looking for any specific job, you can still ask me in the comment section. I will make a dedicated video on your requirement. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel to get regular job updates. Take care and bye. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.